Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can record calls on iPhone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Firstly, go ahead and launch the Settings application on your device and tap on Software Update and make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version of iOS. If not, then go ahead and update your device further to the latest software update. Once updated, open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for Call Recorder and download any of the call recording apps from here and further launch the application and record your calls from the application. The other way to record calls is launch the Settings application on your device. You will see the option for Control Center. Tap on that and make sure screen recording is added to your Control Center. And now, whenever you want to call record, keep your call and speaker or hands free, and then simply slide down from the right side of your screen and you will be led to the Control Center. Here, tap on the recording option and begin the screen recording. So that's basically how you can record calls on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.